Good morning everyone. My name is Saurav Kumar. Today I am presenting my BTech final year project presentation on multiple object detection and tracking with my team member Yogesh Sanger under the guidance of Swati Singh ma'am. In this today presentation we cover the following topic. First, introduction. The project deal with motion based moving object detection in the videos, and our objective is to provide a clear output of moving object in each frame of the video. This project aims to improve the performance of motion based moving object detection by contributing originally two components: motion segmentation and object detection. Purpose of the project. The main goal of this project is to design, implement and evaluate a model that will detect multiple objects in a real-time video, localize the object and classify them according to their classes. The aim is to train the model by labeling the dataset, and the trained model will be used to predict the output. Extracting system. Video surveillance is an active research topic in computer vision that try to detect, recognize and track object over a sequence of image, and it also make an attempt to understand and describe object behavior by replacing the old traditional method of monitoring cameras by human operators. This project aims at improving the current technology and make the system automated. Methodology. The entire methodology is divided into 5 basic parts: setting up the object detection directory and virtual environment in CV and NumPy, gathering and labeling dataset, creating a label map, training and testing the dataset, predicting output of new dataset using trained data. System requirement: operating system Microsoft Windows 10, CPU Intel Core i5, programming language Python. Literature review. The research conducted so far for motion based object detection and object detection object in video surveillance systems are discussed in this chapter. The set of challenges outlined above span several domains of research, and the majority of relevant work will be reviewed in the upcoming chapters. In this section, only the representative video surveillance system are discussed. For better understanding of the fundamental concept, object detection is the process of object of interest within a sequence of frames from its first appearance to its last. Motivation. The basic motivation behind this topic is that it is something that will overdo all the physical tasks. Robotic and smart systems are buzzing around all over the world. Object recognition and tracking reduce human efforts and provide efficiency. It is of interest as it may help humans to be aware of minute information about particular object and reduce human tasks. Automatic recognition and extraction adds to the smart system used today. Vision proposal: find body image regions that are likely to contain object. Class agnostic object detector. Look for blood-like regions. They are the following results of image which can detect conclusion. In this presentation we have overviewed the following points: basic concept of object detection and tracking, problem and difficulties in object detection, representation of object, multiple and single object detection, and machine learning process. Object tracking. Object detection is a task of extracting object from specific frame image. Object detection is one of the most widely used concepts in the field of artificial intelligence, has a great scope in future for the development of the motion world. Now I am going to run this process. Now I am going to run this project. This is my work according to my need. पार्ट किया है। इसमें हमने एक एरे के अंदर एक क्लास डिफाइन किया है जिसके अंदर हमने कुछ ऑब्जेक्टों को रखा हुआ है जिसके अकॉर्डिंग हम उनको इजीली डिटेक्ट कर सकते हैं। इसमें हम कोई एक्स्ट्रा वेबकैम लगा सकते हैं कि वैल्यू हमने 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 सीरियल में दी है और इसमें हम कोई एक्स्ट्रा वेबकैम यूज कर सकते हैं। Now I'm going to finally run this project. हमने फाइल का नाम दे दिया है। देखिए इसमें भी डिटेक्ट कर रहा है और ये कितने परसेंट किसी इमेज को डिटेक्ट कर रहा है ये भी इसमें दिखा रहा है। जैसे इसमें मुझको शो कर रहा है 99.95%। आउटपुट के लिए हम इसका स्क्रीनशॉट ले सकते हैं और इसमें हम कोई और अदर इमेज भी जैसे किसी का प्रिंट आउट वगैरह या कोई और वेबकैम से हम किसी इमेज को डिटेक्ट कर सकते हैं। इसको